Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making sweet and sour tofu. What all goes into the sweet and sour tofu? One 14-ounce medium to firm tofu. I do have the firm. One red bell pepper, cored and chopped into bite-sized pieces. One green pepper, cored and chopped into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and cornstarch for dusting. Now for the sauce, and I decided I'm going to change it up a bit, but I will put the original ingredients down below. So for my sauce, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 3 tablespoons distilled white vinegar, and 1/3 cup pineapple juice. And optional is just a dash of red pepper flakes. So let's begin. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your tofu and totally drain it. All right, as you can see, there's lots of water in there. We're going to drain that first, but it has lots of water inside. So I set it on some paper towels. Then I'm going to take other paper towels and I'm just going to kind of press and get the water out. Do that with new paper towels 3 to 4 times. You want to get as much water out as you possibly can. So after you've done that and everything looks fairly dry, I'm going to wrap this up because it's not dry yet. Then you want to take something heavy to set on top of it to press it down. If you have a tofu press, that'd be even better. I don't make tofu. This is only the second time I've ever used tofu in any manner. So take something like a cast iron skillet and set on there and let it set, pressing it down to get all of the excess water out of the tofu. That takes about 30 minutes. Take a bowl. We're going to make the sauce. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of the white distilled vinegar, and the 1/3 cup pineapple juice. And just stir this until all sugar has dissolved. And at this time, if you're using red pepper flakes, add that to the sauce as well and mix that up and then set that aside. So after 30 minutes of being pressed, we want to cut our tofu into small cubes and about 1 inch or so cubes. I'm just using a pastry cutter. That will make it easier. I have cubes, some are bigger than others. I almost didn't pass kindergarten because I couldn't cut evenly. Never got better as I got older. So take your cornstarch and dust the tofu with that. And then you want it to be on all sides. So I'm going to roll it around in the cornstarch. And you want to get it all on all sides so it will get golden brown. Take a large skillet, turn your pan to high, dump in your 2 tablespoons of oil. I want to make sure the oil gets everywhere on the bottom of the pan. Then add your tofu and cook it on all sides until they are golden brown. This will take about 7 minutes. So a tofu is done, and we'll remove them and put them on a plate. So I added a little bit more oil. Add your peppers and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften just a little bit. So add your tofu back in. I turned the heat down to medium-high. Then add your sweet and sour sauce. Stir that until well coated. And then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer so that the tofu can actually get the taste of the sweet and sour sauce, and let it simmer for probably about 10 minutes or so. So here is the sweet and sour tofu. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Sweet and sour tofu.
Oh. Trying to remember if I've ever.
You did have tofu because I made it in a soup one time.
Okay. Spicy. Looks good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.